E-Tech Pro Class Shampoo and Wax is the ultimate car shampoo and wax enhancer that cares for your vehicle's paintwork. Rinse off any loose dirt and contaminants before washing. This 500ml bottle makes up approximately 160 litres of fresh blackberry-scented shampoo. Just add 3 capfuls to 10 litres of warm water. Wash the entire vehicle with a sponge or wash mitt working from the top down, periodically rinsing it out with clean water. Using a high wash power hose or pressure washer, rinse the vehicle with clean water. Watch the water sheet off. Minimal drying of the vehicle is required due to the hydrophobic properties of the shampoo and wax. Use a soft microfiber towel or chamois to leave a spot-free, high-gloss finish. Formulated using powerful pH-neutral cleaning agents to create a shampoo that easily removes dirt, road grime and traffic film. Utilizing the latest advances in nanotechnology and a blend of high-concentrate synthetic waxes enhances the vehicle's surface, leaving a clean, brilliant, superlative high-gloss reflective finish. Super hydrophobic properties rapidly drives away water from surfaces, reducing drying times and virtually eliminating water spotting. Pro Class Ultimate Shampoo and Wax, part of the E-Tech detailing and valeting range.